Well, these are Kaley's babies. I opened up their area with an X pen because there's so many of them. They'll be 5 weeks old tomorrow. And so it's just kind of time. They're too crowded in a regular kennel anymore. So they're just starting to venture out one by one, figure things out for themselves. We've got Rebel using the potty park out here and little Raven out here. And then we've got the rest kind of huddled inside. Cute as they can be. They haven't all figured out how to come out yet. So it'll take a day or two, and then they'll all be out here and they won't want to even go in there again. Except maybe to potty. So I put a potty park out here just because, first of all, there's 7 of them. So it's nice to have a second potty park. And second of all, because when they come out here, I don't want them pottying on the floor. So. Well, what is it? Huh? Oh my goodness, Rocco and Rishi are nursing. Sound like something crazy's going on over there. It's noisy. I was hoping that more of them would emerge for you. Maybe I'll just go in there and I can point out who's who. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's caught on something. Well, darn it. Well, maybe I could hold it out, but it's not wanting to come. Pull it out a little further. Oh. Come here, babies. Come here. Come here. Come here. This is little Rosa coming up. Oh, let's go run back. Yeah. Yeah. This is Rasta right here. There's Rasta. The color on each side of his head and a little spot on his behind there. Rasta. You got Rosa, the little one in front, and Rogue, the all white one right behind her. Rasta. He's very playful, Ross is. Kind of one of the more adventurous ones. Yes, you are. Yes. Let's see if I can coax him to the front. Yeah. How about you 3 back there? You're the ones I haven't identified yet. Yes. 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 This is Ryan. Nope, that's not Ryan. Okay. Big spot on the back. Yeah. Are you Raven? This is little Raven. Rasta, Rogue, Rebel. And back there, you've got Riot in the left corner and Roxanne sitting on the grass pad. Come on, you two. Come on. Come join the fun. Come join the fun. Come on. There we go. There's Roxanne. There's little Roxanne. And there's little Riot. would you like to come out here with me? You would? Would you like to come out here with me? Huh? Oh, I know you would. Yeah, I know you would. Come on. What do you think? Come on, Ryan. Come out here with me. Yeah. Come out here with me. Yes. Hello. Hello. Come on, Rosa. Rebel. 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 Come here. Come here. Chloe.
Yeah?
Come here and make sure that all these puppies are in this video for me. Do I have it to where you can see what's going on? Well, Roxanne, did you go back in? Did you go back in? Huh? Yeah, you go play with me? Huh? Yes. 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 Hello, babies. Hello, babies. Come here, Rasta. You're a little stinker.
Yeah, he's trying to escape the camera again.
Yeah. He's very playful and cute.
Oh, he's tiny.
He is tiny, isn't he? And then look at his brother.
Oh my goodness.
Look at these two together. Oh, look at that.
Same litter is crazy.
I know, it's almost, he's like twice as big.
Yeah. Maybe he's just fluffier.
No, he's big.
No, that skull is big, yeah.
Yeah, he's big. He was 7.3 ounces at birth, and
Oh,
Rossi was
wow.
only 4.8.
Oh, yeah, there you go. There's the double.
That's the difference. Hi. Hi, Ro. Hi, Ro. Ryan. Ryan. You gonna play with me, Rogue? Huh? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Oh, whoa. Hello.
He's
Fast,
ready.
small, but mighty.
Yeah, he said, you want to talk about it again?
So cute. You are so cute. Oh, yes. I hear you. I hear you. They love the sound of my nails on the floor.
Yeah, it's pretty satisfying.
Yeah. I'll usually get them up and down. What, Rosa? You talking to us or are you talking to Rebel? Are you talking to Rebel?
I think he's going to try to get your toes, Oma.
Huh?
Said he think he's going to try to get your toes.
Yeah.
Oh.
My leg. You getting my leg? Huh? You're a little stinker. You're a little stinker. Yes, you are. Little stinker. I think Rebel was the first one to come out. At least the first one I saw out.
Yeah. Oh, did they just get that today, right?
Yeah, they just got it today. So.
Well, there's your adventurer.
Yeah. We got Ryan and Roxanne back there taking a nap. Oh, Rosa, tell him. It's like they're bonded because they're both all white.
Oh. They're besties.
Yeah, it's weird. It seems like it. They play together. They sleep together. It's so funny.
Maybe they were twins.
Maybe.
And we don't, yeah. Well, because if puppies were twins like that, would you find out before or after?
Yeah, you'd have to do like DNA or something,
yeah.
I guess. Like, my friend did find
Because they all
out.
just come out at once, and then there's like 5 of them, so.
I said, well, aren't they all twins? They were all born, but they all have separate eggs, you know.
Yeah.
But my friend did DNA, and she actually said that they told her that 2 of the puppies were true twins.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, I'm like,
So can
really?
they just have like only identical twins and then fraternal twins are just a litter?
Yeah, I mean, that's, yeah, I mean, that's kind of how it is, isn't it? They were all twins, but they would be like sextuplets? What is it, 7?
7 set.
Is that sextuplets? Hi, Ray.
Raven.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Looking up at me, that is the cutest. You are so cute. Mwah. I love you too. Yes, I do. Rogue and Rebel playing.
Oh, come on.
You gonna get back in there?
Come on. Come on, Rasta. Come on, Rasta. You gonna play with Raven out here? Well, come on out here. You went in, so you can come out. Oh, baby. That sounded like you hit
Through you. Yeah.
He didn't cry at least, so that's not hurt too bad, but it sure sounded bad.
I think she went over someone's back.
Did you bump your little head?
Hmm.
We don't like that.
Oh, like a little teddy bear.
Go in there and play? Okay, well I suppose that's good. That's
So-
Kaley's puppy's 5 weeks old.